Jeff Strong here at the New York Boat Show. Hard to imagine, but I started at this boat show when I was 12 years old. I'm not going to tell you how old I am now, but the math works out to be 53 years of doing the New York Boat Show. And I got to tell you, we are amazingly excited for this year. The pent-up demand is honestly way above what we were budgeting and anticipating, which makes it fun. A lot of our existing customers are coming in, thank you for that, but we're also meeting a lot of new people here who just want to be part of boating. We've sold a lot of boats already, Wednesday, Thursday, today is Friday. We're looking for a super killer weekend. We're really blessed. We've got a boat for anybody. We happen to be in the cruisers booth, but we're in Cobalt, Regal, Pursuit, Grady White, and our newest introduction of Fairline yachts. So you want to get out on the water? We've got a medium for you, whether it be new, and then we have a large selection of used boats as well. It's exciting. Yeah, hope you can come down and join us.